Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. Uh, quick one, uh, quick video here, just going over the cues. We will definitely spend more time going over this when we get together next time for our option session. But in the interim here, I really want to highlight just a very specific setup. I talked about how the 50-day was kind of key on the upside, and then increasingly 324 is a big level above that, right? You can see very obvious 324 resistance range, but the 50-day would be like the first start. Now, very choppy, very sloppy. Definitely some tough trading like the last few weeks. Overall, though, you would have to say that the Qs are stabilizing. They're obviously well off the lows, and importantly, they're above the 100-day, which is the blue line, which lines up basically with like the 310 level. Okay, and some people will say inverse head and shoulders, right? You got the shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Inverse head and shoulders with a 324 trigger, and to be fair, like that still holds. It's hanging where it needs to. The inverse head and shoulders still is in play. Now that could change quickly, and if the Qs start to break 310, right? So 310 is the neckline of that pattern. It also lines up just about perfectly with the 100-day. If the Qs start to break 310, then you got to be careful, because that would start to nullify that pattern. It would lose temporary support, and it could put us on a path to retesting the low from earlier in March. Okay, so to me, there seems to be a very well-defined level that I'm focused on. And from like a trade perspective, we've had like a mix of bullish and bearish. If we start to lose that, might start to lean a little bit more bearish, because it seems like momentum could pick up. And right now we're not there. We're not exactly close either, about 3 points away. But the way things are moving, it could come pretty soon. And I just really want to point that out. That to me, like that's my focus level underneath 310 and the 100 day, which is right here, this blue line. Things could kind of snowball a little bit quicker. Okay, so just be aware of that. Now, that doesn't change the overall plan, right, of what we have been doing the last few weeks, which is quicker taking trades, quicker taking money, tighter stops, right? Sizing down, right? Things are choppy, things are spinning around, not a lot of continuity day in and day out. Still want to participate on good looking setups, but smaller size, taking money quicker, and tighter stops. Okay, and until we either get above 324, or until we really blow through this 310 level and start to hit into the downside, it could remain choppy, and that's really how we're going to continue to approach trades. All right. At some point it'll change, but that's what we're doing for right now. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information on like swing trading with options or trade management with options, which is very, very, very important right now, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options in play. Hope you have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.